Okay, so I was just telling Rob, I don't know how they can make this 57-inch island and ship it to us, and we only paid $313. And it's supposed to be easy to put together. So, we'll let you know. This is what it's gonna look like. All right, came in 2 boxes. This was in the bigger box. And this wood, like, totally, perfectly matches the desk. Crazy. Huh. Okay, so far, it was pretty easy, straightforward, excellent instructions. This is the Zinus bed. It was $269. It's the one with the headboard. I picked this color because it goes great with that blue. That's a complementary color. And they were sold out on Amazon, but I did a little more research and I found the same exact item at Walmart for the same exact price. So this bed came with this really, really nice Allen wrench. So we appreciate that. Okay, so we decided to keep it facing this way so you can easily watch the TV, which is right there. Okay, so this is how we're going to keep it. This was my original plan, and we're going to make this work. Okay, so we're putting this nightstand here. This is a DIY project. I got this for free on Facebook Marketplace, and we're going to figure out what we're going to do with it, and we'll film that. And then we got this cute little. This is a kind of a couch computer desk. So this was $59.99 at HomeGoods. So this is beautiful. This goes with the wood, and it also goes like this to be able to put your computer on.
Yes,
Oh, thank you. And it has 2 outlets and 2 USB ports. So this is perfect for recharging, for a computer, for whatever. So this is I love this. So we're gonna go with that. We'll work on this. We've got this here now. The chair did not fit, and we're not gonna make it fit. So this is gonna be the way it is, and all right, let's see how it works out. Can I get a butter knife? To be continued. Here's a little trick. This is a Robbie trick. Okay, here's another little Robbie hack. All right, we're putting it together. We as in Rob. Slides right in. Okay, we're having a little snag with the armrest. So we weren't supposed to put the back on, so we took the back off and it's supposed to slide it in from the back, but we can't get it to reach the other section, the other side of the metal. So Robbie took off the metal, and yes, it does fit in there, but there's too much padding around the armrest to actually get it to slide in. So stand by. I did it! Okay, so I had to jerry rig it a little bit. This armrest, it didn't meet the other metal apparatus that slides it in, so I had to unscrew one side of it, put 2 pieces of cardboard underneath and screw it back in, and then it slid right in. So there you go. Start looks. I just want you all to see what Robbie's doing. He's making a grid for the mural. So I just wanted to show you the mural. So it's not going to be blue. It's just going to be white on white. So the area here, that's the opening in the wall. And so this is what we're planning on doing. Wish us luck. All right, y'all. This is a real artist at work. He's got the grid up. He's got his layout in his hand. And he's eyeballing it, he's drawing what he sees, and he's using the grids. So the grid, trying to figure out where you are. The grid, where are you, baby? Okay, he's right here. Right there. The grid matches what he's putting right up on there. So anyone can draw if you use a grid, because you're basically taking one square and putting it there. So I know it's hard to see, but he's got this whole thing sketched out with pencil. And then all he has to do, boy, he makes this stuff look easy. All he has to do at this point is just paint in the lines. He's amazing. Okay, Rob and I were up late painting this. I basically just painted this corner. He did everything else. And he is quite the master with the paintbrush. So it's white on white. So it's subtle, but depending upon the light, it should be really fun. These are hibiscus flowers for our Hawaiian feel here in the Blue Hawaii unit.